Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're taking this boat on a road trip. Finally, all of the bad weather is cleared out, so we are going to try to take this boat up to a lake today. We're going to dump it in some fresh water. Let you know when we get there. We are all hooked up and ready to go. There she is, all hooked up to the truck. Everything is adjusted right now. I had some issues here I gotta point out. So this snapped because there was an angle on it, and this kind of sawed this off. So I had to reconfigure everything, adjust and correct. I had to redo the safety chain, cut it because it was way too long. But we got everything looking where it needs to be. Everything's tightened down and nice and fitted well. Bunks are high enough now where it sits right on the trailer, and we are no longer hanging off the back. So we're ready to go on the road. Just waiting on the wife. She's coming along today. It's gonna be the first time you see her in a video. She's less than excited about it, but I think when it's all done, she's gonna be glad she was a part of it. So heading up to a nice beautiful lake here in New Jersey. Super excited. Pump some fresh water through my motor, and we're gonna have a great day. It's October 4th. Beautiful day. So gotta get out there and have some fun. All right, so we have arrived at our destination. We are at Lake Hopatcong, and we are going to take this boat out on the lake today. We're going to do a little exploring, a little fishing, have a little fun. We're at Lakes End Marina. We got to get some fishing licenses. We're going to get a little bit of intel, and then we're going to figure out our next move. See if they got a ramp. If not, we have a backup plan. We know where there's another ramp. So stay tuned. We're going to get this boat on the lake and have a good time. All right, so we've made it to Lees County Park Marina in Lake Hopatcong. They've got 3 really good ramps. You pay your fee, you drop it in the mailbox over there, and you have full access to the lake. So here is where I am at. And this is gonna be my first lake launch for this boat. Pretty pumped up, pretty excited. This is gonna be amazing. So, have not seen another boat out there yet today, so who knows, maybe I got the whole lake to myself. We did buy some tackle. We're going to play around a little bit, see if we can't catch some bass and whatever else lives in this lake. Just have some fun, explore new places, new waters, new places. That's what it's all about. That's why we did all that work. So let's get this thing in the water. That's our next step. Okay, success. We have got the boat in the water. And now it's time to go out and explore. Very excited. Wife is on board, putting all her stuff situated. She's gonna be trying out a seat option today. We have 2 different methods we're gonna try. We have a beanbag chair, but we're not using that today. We have a folding West Marine Special. There she is, floating on Lake Hopatcong. And there's the wife. Hello, Debbie. Want to say hello?
Hi.
It's your first time on the channel.
Yeah, I know. Hi, everybody.
All right. Okay, well, let's get out of here. Every time. That's why that's there. Just waiting for the wife to get back with the cooler because we forgot that. So she ran back to the truck to get it for me. And we gone. We're out of here. This is great. Super, super excited for this. Should be a great day. It's beautiful. Beautiful October day. All right, given that I'm in a place I've never been before, I'm gonna wanna run all 3 screens today. So I got my GPS, so it's gonna tell me where I've gone and how to get back to where I need to go to pull the boat. How deep I'm gonna be, because non-tidal, so however deep it is, that's however deep it is. And obviously my engine data. So we're gonna be running these 3 screens today. New place. Got to be careful, make sure we don't run aground. Just, you know, take it slow, take it easy, and enjoy. Lots to see around here. Beautiful homes. And again, I haven't seen another boat out here. Have you seen another boat yet? Yeah, so just us. A couple of homes out here just sitting on islands. We'll be checking all that out. So, and you know what's super cool? I'm pumping fresh water through my engine. It's the end of the year. I pretty much ran it, you know, in the bays, you know, the Raritan Bay. I took it down to Great South Bay, Barnegat Bay. So it's nice at the end of the year, running at a high speed, pumping some nice fresh water through it. So can't hurt it. And it's nice, just good to be in a different spot. In a few weeks, the foliage here is going to be awesome. And we have another trip planned with this boat to go see that. So share that with you another time. But today it's all about Lake Hopatcong. Been wanting to get up here. My wife and I came here for our anniversary on the 27th of August. Had a beautiful dinner. We may even go back there for lunch because we wanted to bring the boat, but we didn't know the layout. So we kind of did a little homework, and that's why we're here today. So we were able to get our fishing licenses at a place, and we were able to go right to another ramp and do what we had to do. So helps things run a little smooth. So yeah, destination 2 for this boat this season. So let's go see what we got. So it's going to tell me where I've gone. All right, so there's the boat all tied up. First dock and dine at the Stonewater. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Yes, sirree. A little hungry. We did a little fishing this morning. Got hungry. Now we're gonna eat. This is where we had our anniversary dinner. Was it lunch or dinner?
Lunch.
More like a lunch.
Someone was having a phone.
So now we're back with the boat this time. All right, right back at you. So look in the background. Beautiful, right? That's our view. Dock and dine time. All right. Back from lunch. So you know what? I'm gonna creep along here, just cast right along, like, you know, parallel to the docks, not at the docks, but like throw it towards that dock with the blue bumpers on it right now, as far as you can. The bail keeps going over on you. See? That might need to be tightened up. You want this one instead? Okay.
Did you cast at it?
I did. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this guy's like treehouse dock with the flag and the traffic lights on it.
Oh, that's cute.
That is neat.
Very cool. I'm looking at this triangle. So that's a shed.
You caught on the bottom?
I felt pressure.
Might have gotten caught up in grass.
Oh,
Hey, you're good. I'm under you. Just don't reel yet. Hang on.
you're reeling?
I think I'm caught on the same grass you are. Yeah, go ahead.
You.
Yeah, reel. Yeah, look.
Yeah, I just
It's all good.
hugging.
Yeah, well, there's going to be a lot of that around these docks. Please don't hit anything soon. We'll switch out to those poppers I have.
Still show fish?
No, but we're in shallower water.
Why, you don't show fish in shallow?
I do, but it's just not showing anything that we're casting away from the boat, so it's really not gonna.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
It's going.
I turned the camera off.
Oh, shit.
That was great. All right, keep going. We know they like them.
I thought it was grass. I felt like pressure. I didn't feel pulling though.
That's okay. Reel up and cast out again. Oh, it looked like a pickerel. See, if you had one of these mounted on your head like I do, and you were filming,
Well, you didn't give me one.
I have to get you one next time. But you were not. You didn't seem excited.
What'd you say?
You didn't seem excited
I wasn't excited?
about getting filmed. Let's see how this does. If this gets hit, we're gonna switch over to these.
Filmed. I like the filming the fishing.
Wow, that was a nice fish you had. It's okay. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. That was a beautiful fish. He was good sized. Did he hit right by our boat?
No, close, yes. That's when I felt the pressure. Like
Okay.
more of a pressure.
Yeah. All right. Well, that was good. Good job. You getting the hang of that cast? I gotta tighten that up. And if you keep picking up grass, just reel a little faster. It might not sink so deep.
I've got something.
You do?
I wonder what's up.
Well, reel. Just steadily reel. It'll pull loose.
Oh, it's tight.
Pull, reel. Lift up your line.
Look, bro. Look at my pole.
I see it, unless you're caught around a rock. Here, give me. Yeah, you're on the bottom. All right. Can't fix that real quick.
Will it snap?
No, if I don't pull hard, I'm gonna get over it and then it'll shake loose. You're caught on a rock.
Does it feel like it's loosening?
No, but if I'm trying to go over it this way. Unless you're caught in a piece of wood, which means the hook dug in. Got it.
Wow. What was it? Just like,
Whatever it came out. So here,
thank you.
just reel it up a little bit. Let me get out of here. right, so that's gonna do it for today. Good time, man. I've been wanting to come back up here since my wife and I came here for our anniversary. She said, let's go someplace different with a different view, and I'm like, you know what, good idea. And I thought of this place. So where we had lunch is where we had our dinner, lunch, whatever you want to call it, but we enjoyed it, and we really wanted to bring the boat, but I felt it was super important to do a little homework, find out where the ramps are, where can I buy a license to fish, all those other things that kind of eliminate coming up here and then having to wander around wondering where all that was. So did a little bit of homework, helped the day go super smooth. Didn't really catch any fish. We didn't have a lot of tackle with us today, but I'm gonna start stocking up on some freshwater stuff. This is something we're looking forward to doing with the boat, just taking it out on lakes and, you know, just taking it places we've never been before, but got to have all our gear squared away. But boat ran great, weather was beautiful. They called for like more cloudy skies originally than sun, so we lucked out with a beautiful day. She had a great time, her first time on the boat, so that's great. She got to enjoy it, and it was just an absolutely stellar day out there. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little quick video of just us taking the boat somewhere, which is what we're going to be doing going forward with it. You know, I'm not even going to put it in the slip next year. It's going to live on the trailer, and we're going to start taking it on the road places now that we have everything situated with the trailer. That took a little while, adjusting here, adjusting there, making sure it sits on there just perfect for our trips that we take. You want that boat comfortable for any high mileage run that we're going to take, and we're going to start going further and further. I have another trip in mind, so stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.